Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Equity Chronicles and welcome to another market update video. Today, we'll see how the market performed, and it's a Friday, it's a weekend. How market performed, and did it give a good weekly closing? Market is going to bounce, or is it going to go down and further pain ahead? Let's analyze using our chart. So previously, all the video we have been telling this, it's trading within this range. So if even if you are new to technical analysis, you can just keep this for reference. Right now, it is trading inside this channel, and good thing is that this low Nifty created a low on 17th Feb 2025. This low is protected as of now. Even today, it protected, and 22,800 780 region is actually acting as a support. It just barely today Nifty's closing was just barely held to 22,800, 22,795, slightly below 22,800. So we can say that 22,800 is actually a good support region right now. And if it is breaking down from the support region and it's very and then giving a close, especially a weekly close, I expected it might close below this. It might close like 22,700 or 750 or something like that. Then it would have been much worse. But slightly positive thing is that this low is held. Nifty formed a low, and that low is held, and then trying to hold this region and forming a base. What we can see here is that it is forming a base now. Nifty is trading within this range, and it's forming small candles, and we need to see what is going to unfold, whether it can break down from this level. So one scenario is Nifty breaking down from this level, retesting and going further down. If it is breaking down, then it will open new areas, new spaces for it to fill. Maybe 22,400, 22,500, and 22k and 21,800. All those things will be wide open. So as of now, it didn't close like that. And one scenario is it can consolidate for 2-3 more or maybe 1 week, and then give a breakout out of this channel also. So anything can happen, or maybe a slight breakdown, and then everybody will think that it's going to break down further, and all those people will buy PE, positionally PE, and all those things, and they will be trapped, and can get an up move till here or something like that. So I think by maybe February and or maybe March 1st, till that time it will just consolidate within this base, and then maybe a relief rally to here. So I'm if a rally is going to happen, this is my hunch, okay, this is my feeling, this is my opinion, and I could be very well wrong. You cannot predict anything, so you have to take it parts by part. So if this base is broken, then very good chance to get a rally, maybe till here 23,830. That let's keep it as this as a pivot, major pivot. 22,800 level, 23,800 and 24,250 range. These are the two possible rally points I'm seeing. If at all we are getting a big rally, and then this could set stage for a bear trap. As I always say, bear trap is also possible. So we need more confirmation, which we are not able to get yet. Even 20, yeah, it is somewhere around of 50 dma. I mean, if we are getting something like this, a close above 23,800, that will be above 50 dma, and if you're getting a close about 24,250 region, it will be a close above 200 dma. Then then we need to see whether it is going up and retesting and going up again. Then it is like slightly positive thing. Till that time, you need to be really careful. So mark where it is going to go. That is based on this breakout. If it is breaking out or breaking down. If breaking down means it's clear, there is not much of a support left. Okay, if it is breaking out, then these are all resistance. Okay, not much. I mean, a lot of resistance, overhead resistance. But when it is coming down, it probably will come like very smoothly. So watch this point, and we can, if we move this to weekly time frame, then we can see the selling pressure. See the selling pressure weekly. It's still a rejection from this point. Only good thing is it is holding 22,800 as of now. Monday we'll see whether we are getting a follow through. If this low is broken again, 22,722, and even a day close, it can propel Nifty further down another 1 or 2%. So like I always say, this is time to be cautious. Don't think that we have reached a bottom and then don't start buying like crazy. If even if you wanted to participate, buy in very small quantity and then just wait. Let's move to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, it is still trading in this range. It is like 3 to 4% range. It's slightly better than Nifty, I should say. Slightly better than Nifty. So even if you're getting a breakout, this will act as a resistance. This is one point we need to watch out. And then this channel bottom might act as a resistance. So break out or break down, just watch. Based on that, you plan your trades. Don't jump. So this is one scenario. Then break down. This is another scenario. So don't forget all those scenarios. It's forming. The only thing is that Bank Nifty and Nifty and all forming small range. Again, it's forming a small range with narrow candles. So it could be a breakout or a breakdown. That is something which we need to watch out for. And now we'll quickly move to 500 just to understand the broader market condition. Good thing is that this low is protected. Yesterday's close low is protected, and even if we move to weekly, slightly better than Nifty, I should say, slightly better, because it closed above this low, this close. This previous week's close was this 2626. Today it's close to slightly above that, and it is taking support at this channel bottom. Let's see next week how it is going to go. Don't expect big spontaneous moves and all. Maybe we are going to have a time correction. Mid cap, the support zone, it's right now it's taking support. It just fell out of the support zone and then back into the support zone, and this channel bottom is acting as a resistance. And even the weekly close, somewhat okay. I wouldn't say it's good, but somewhat okay. But look at this big candles. So this is time to be cautious. And this is, I think this is the election volatility low candle which created. It hasn't reached there. It might reach there and then fell a little bit more and go up. That could be the bottom. I feel that it is almost near a bottom. This is my hunch. Maybe 3 to 5% more down from here, from this point. I think somewhere around here. I don't think it will be going below. Even if it is going below this, then it's like I'm ultra bearish. Then it opens open targets like 37,400 and all. It will come. So time to be cautious. Small cap, again, only good thing is that this low is protected. Weekly, slightly better, and if you're getting one more close like above this point next week, then perhaps we'll be getting small rallies. So all those rallies will be meeting out with a lot of resistance. You shouldn't forget this. Even if a lot of people will be screaming this is the bottom, but you should try to understand what is happening in the market. And it's not rocket science, guys. It's not rocket science. So it could act. There is a lot of resistance overhead for the overall market. So take it bit by bit. Don't be in a hurry to jump. Nothing much is happening. Nothing big is happening. So that's why I'm not even able to elaborate give the target, like upside move is going to happen, downside move is going to happen. No, I don't know what is going to happen. So maybe relief rally till here, or maybe till here, and then further down. The point is there are a lot of overhead resistance, so these resistance need to be taken out. And then the 50 DMA and 200 DMA, these are all resistance. And then small cap is way below 50 and 200 DMA, so it will be painful. It is still painful for mid cap, small cap. Bank Nifty especially, at least it's in somewhat in a better position, even though it is like not in a absolute great spot, but still it's somewhat better. So this 50 DMA, this green color line is 50 DMA. It could act as a resistance. and if it's broken out of this, and then 200, and all these are resistance. So my point is there are a lot of resistance up ahead, even for micro cap, very similar to a small cap. So don't be in a hurry to buy all stocks. If you're getting good stocks in in a good level, and if you really understand the business of the company, then probably you can buy a little bit, but not a good time to invest everything. There are a lot of sectors setting up, just watch that sector, and there are a lot of stocks which are trading at 52 weeks high. Find such stocks. I think we're getting a cool off in US dollar. Yeah, just, but ideally we should get a close below 105. So if it close below 105, and then if it comes to 103, probably we might get a relief rally in Nifty. Try to find the correlation between US dollar and Indian market. You will get an idea. There are a lot of things out there, a lot of materials, even YouTube videos, a lot of good materials are out there. So you can watch that, have a educated guess, and don't be in a hurry. Like I always say, don't be in a hurry. This is not the time. Stay safe, and then don't listen to all those influencers screaming bottom, bottom. I don't know, maybe this is the bottom, but just don't be in a hurry to judge whether this is the bottom and all. Just wait for confirmation, and it's your hard-earned money. Learn about risk management, guys. So we'll come up with another video probably tomorrow or maybe Monday. Till that time, take care.